Hello, this is Charlie for The Great Recommender. I hope you love birds too.
As birds battle for their survival, scientists are uncovering the different ways in which they're adapting. We're discovering that birds are even more incredible than we ever thought possible. This is Helgoland, a small archipelago off the North German coast. It's gained a reputation for being one of the most spectacular places to witness bird migration, as so many birds use it as a stopover site to refuel on their journeys.